Welcome to Monkey's Talk and Unlock. The treasure chest is locked, and only you can help open it. You'll need your workbook cipher to unlock the secret message. Here's how it works. Every time you see a golden key, a number will appear. Write down the number. Then use your cipher in the front of your workbook to find the letter. At the end, you'll have a secret sentence to unlock the chest.
Welcome to Lesson 1. Today we will learn about daily schedules.
I wake up at 7.
We use the present simple for habits and routines. The form is subject plus verb. We can add time words like always, sometimes, before, and after.
I always brush my teeth. I sometimes eat cereal. I go to school before 8.
The key to the grammar is subject plus verb plus a time word. For example, I always wake up at 7. Great work! You've unlocked the grammar key for Lesson 1.
Monkeys talk and unlock. Click, click, tick, tock. Monkeys talk and unlock.